Hi children, welcome back to the lesson Web Services. In this module, we are going to learn email address and its components. When we want to send a message using email service, there are three important things that are to be kept in mind. The first is the body of the message. The second is the address of the person to whom you want to send the message. The third is the fields associated to email message. Let us discuss them in detail. Message body consists of words, number, attachments, special characters, or anything you want to insert in the letter. An email address consists of four parts: the username, the symbol, the host name or domain name, and the top level domain. The username, here editor, is the name given by the user as per his or her choice. While preparing username, the user has to follow the naming conventions like use of underscore or dot as a separator between two words, minimum or maximum number of character to be maintained, etc. The symbol is pronounced as at the rate and it remains same in every email address. The host name, here CBSE, is also called the domain name. The domain name is the name of mail server whose representation appears in the client computer when he or she opens his or her inbox. This domain name is important to lead the message to the address of the mail server. The address is a unique IP address for easy identification on the internet. The top level domain again get divided into two portions. Here .com or .co refers to commercial sites and .in refers to India. Thus, .co.in together refers to commercial sites registered and residing in India. In this module, we have learned email address and its components.